You've been wanting to invest, but you keep thinking, I don't have enough money to start. Maybe you've got $100 sitting in your account and you're wondering if that even matters. Good news, it does. Because $100 is more than enough to start building wealth. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step beginner blueprint that shows you exactly how to invest your first $100 the smart way. And before we get to step 1, here's a surprising truth. The difference between turning $100 into $200,000 or losing it completely comes down to one single mistake that most beginners don't even know they're making. We'll break that down later in this video. Let's start with what you can actually do with $100. The biggest myth you've heard is that you need a lot of money to invest. You don't. Today, you can buy fractional shares, tiny slices of real stocks. You can invest in index funds and ETFs. You can buy pieces of Apple, Tesla, or the entire S&P 500, and you can do it all with no commissions and no minimums. So yes, $100 is enough to buy a slice of a big company, a full share of a low-cost ETF, or a mix of both. What matters isn't the amount, it's the habit, the system, and the strategy you follow from day one. Now let's talk about the simple math of turning $100 into wealth. If you invest $100 today and add just $25 a week, earning a typical 8% return, you end up with around $260,000 over time. If you add $50 a week, you're looking at over $500,000. This is the power of compound growth. Your money earns money, and then that money earns more money. It's like financial dominoes falling forward. But there's a catch. If you invest your $100 in the wrong things, like hype stocks or random tips, you lose your most valuable asset, time. Your goal isn't to guess what will rise. Your goal is to build a portfolio that grows automatically. So here is your 4-step blueprint for investing your first $100. Step 1, choose a beginner-friendly brokerage. Great options include Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, Robinhood, or M1 Finance. They all allow fractional shares and have no trading fees. Step 2, deposit your $100. Just transfer it from your bank. It only takes a minute. Step 3, choose your investment strategy. And don't worry, I'll keep this beginner-proof. Option 1 is the set it and forget it strategy. Invest in one broad index fund or ETF, like VOO, VTI, or SCHD. These give you instant access to hundreds of companies in a single investment. Option 2 is fractional shares of big companies you already know. If you want exposure to brands you love, you can buy $20 of Apple, $10 of Tesla, $15 of Amazon, and still invest the rest into an index fund. Option 3 is to turn on auto invest. Even $10 a week makes a difference. Automation creates consistency, and consistency creates results. Step 4 is the hardest part. Don't sell too early. Your $100 won't magically double in a few weeks, but stay invested over time and the numbers become unbelievable. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Remember that feeling you had at the beginning, the feeling of not having enough money to start? Now you know the truth. You don't need a lot. You just need a system, the right mindset, and the discipline to keep going. You're closer to real investing than you think. And if you remember only one thing from this entire video, let it be this. Investing with $100 is not about the amount. It's about building the habit that makes you wealthy. The first $100 matters more than the next 1,000. Now that you know exactly how to invest your first $100, your next step is simple. Pick a brokerage, deposit the money, and choose one of the strategies we covered. The sooner you start, the sooner your money starts working for you. If you want to stop guessing and start building real financial confidence, hit subscribe for more Networth Inc. wealth blueprints every week.